Now I would like to welcome, yes, we have Miss Sunny Leone here. I would like to welcome you on stage. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? And And I would also like to welcome our CEO, Mr. Yuva Pushpakar on stage. A big round of applause for him also. Thank you and welcome. He is an Indian film actor, worked in Tamil movie industry. His movie Benami Velakotlu was a 2012 blockbuster of the year. He is a person with passion for cinemas as well as game. So without any further ado, with a big round of applause, I would like to call on the CEO of Zoopy Infinite Fun Gaming app, Mr. Yuva Pushpakar. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen?
Good morning, my dear friends. It's my privilege to welcome the most happening celebrity in the world, Sunny Leone. Mumbai is not new to me. I started my career in Mumbai. I was modeling in Mumbai. Then I moved to Chennai for movies. Movie is my passion. Because of my passion, now I'm in Soupy. About Soupy. Soupy is all about movies.
Actor Selena in the movie One Night Stand. Yeah, this is specially made for you. A special game for Sunny Leone, ma'am. कुछ लोचा है sir. Comedy film, horror film, thriller film.
It was supposed to be comedy.
So this is how simple the questions are. Anyone can play with a basic knowledge of movies. And they can select their industry preference, that is whichever industry that they want, Tollywood, Mollywood, or whichever. And they can also select the regional languages in which they need to see the questions and answer.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, she got that also right.
Where was I born?
Where was Sunny Leone born?
Canada.
Yeah, that also right. The song Leila Mein Leila is from which movie? Race. Yeah.
No?
Yes, it is the right answer. So you can view your results right here.
Person turns green.
Okay. So now you can see the leaderboard. No, 11th one.
Yeah.
So she is currently 11th,
You have to
11th
play
in the
this
11th
song.
position.
Is comedian famous? I have to do faster.
Yeah, fastest fingers win.
Long as one.
So then we have yes or no questions. Sunny Leone did double role in the film Ek To Eli Leela.
ये तो मैं pass करूँगी.
Yeah, next. Sunny Leone was born in Canada, yes. Is the song Leila Mein Leila sung by Sunny Leone? No. Oh, she's pretty good. Sunny Leone played the character Lord Leila in the movie Shooter at Varla. Yes, right answer. Next question.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. No.
That also right.
What is it?
Yeah. So this year, yeah. Your fans are faster than you. She got the 13th position.
5 people over my shoulder. I lost again, guys. I have 2 more chances.
Yeah, you have 2 more chances.
Right now.
remember what happened.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't distract me. Yes and no. Yes and no. This, oh, you tricked me.
So now you'll get the highest score within the 3 attempts. It is still there.
So I think you all can see that this is such an interesting app, gaming app, and everyone is excited. I am excited, and I think people will be excited for it. So can we have a big round of applause for Zoopy Infinite Fun, and we wish them all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of you for taking out your precious time. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Yeah. Sajna ma'am, can we have you here for the group picture? And yeah. Thank you so much.
with Zupi, and how was your association with Zupi?
Well, my experience is obviously amazing, and मुझे ऐप बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि it's something different. It's not just the regular games that we play, and the trivia questions they're fun, and you can actually play it with a group of people. क्योंकि हम सब घर पे बैठ रहे हैं ना, so it would be nice. You're sitting with your family, everybody's playing a game where you can guess the trivia and see who wins, which is very cool.
And अभी आपने गेम प्ले भी किया, मैंने देखा ढेरों सारे क्वेश्चंस के आपने आंसर भी दिया, so कैसा रहा आपके लिए एक्सपीरियंस?
Well, वो questions मेरे बारे में थे, so थोड़ा सा easy थे. But I think when I play the game and it's about everybody else, I think it will be a lot of fun. I would want my friends to play ताकि मुझे पता है वो कहाँ से place किया, and if I beat them or not.
सर,
मैम यंग जनरेशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
First of all, आप young generation आप mask पहनो. मेरे साथ बात मत करो if you're not going to wear a mask. हाँ, फिर से पूछो.
यंग जनरेशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे ऐप को लेकर?
Young generation किसके बारे में? Okay, about Zupi. I think that young generation के लिए, I mean, हम सब घर में बैठे हैं अभी. We can't really do much. I think that it's great pastime to be able to play a game where you're actually learning something, or knowing that you know the answer. So I think it's a lot of fun when you find an app जहाँ बार play कर सकते हैं, and you can go into different languages, which is very cool too.
Yuvaji, tell us, Sunny ji is here, and how was your experience with?
It's a great experience, you know. It's a dream come true for, people like us, a small country, small state. We're coming here and, launching like this is something really big for us. And we'll deliver it. And whatever we are promising, we definitely deliver it. Yeah, it's definitely. It's a common man game and small money, and they make a lot of money out of this. So this, I'm very much interested in this. I mean, interesting game. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Be
One
safe.
wish, Merry Christmas and
Sure.
New Year.
Ready? To all the viewers out there, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Please be safe and spread love. We're in a time where we need to spread more love than hate.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Excuse me.
उन्होंने गिफ्ट दिया उसको किधर रखेगा और है कौन लेके जाने के लिए लेके कौन जाएगा चलो एक टूटा एक नोटा यूसुफ भाई थोड़ा सा बैक है प्लीज यूसुफ भाई जरा पार्टी में आगे प्लीज सर तो अरे एक मिनट यार Tania, look, nice. Sunny, last frame. Sunny, last frame. Sunny, last frame. Sunny. Excuse me, Yusuf bhai, थोड़ा सा. Sir, आइए ना, sir. Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And with this, we have refreshments for all of you. And I request all of you please proceed for the refreshments area.
Yeah, one more. Thank you so much. हाँ Yeah, ready? Sir, you look here. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Features for all the
I'm Yuva Pushpagar from Kerala, Thrissur. I was modeling in Bombay, then moved to Chennai. I did one Tamil movie. Movie is my passion. Now I get into this called Soupy. Soupy is very interesting app for all movie lovers. This is the first movie gaming app in the world, and common man can play easily with the chocolate money for 10 rupees. It's something different and very unique. It is completely skill game, not like other things, you know, something like that, you know. This is completely skill game. You make mistake, that is your problem. Nothing is manipulating here. Everything is answer, everything is Google. It's all movie related questions. You can select the language, like Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, English. You can select as per your wish. You can do that. Keep playing. This is one of the best movie app. You will definitely enjoy it, especially for movie lovers. This is something really good, and you can you know, time just go like that. And if you play this, it's very interesting, very catchy. You know, very, you know, what kind of, you know, you feeling like, you know, feel good, and you know, that's all. Thanks a lot to be a part of Soupy now. Thank you.
अंजलि, सबसे पहले जानना चाहूँगा सूपी ऐप के बारे में कैसे पता चला?
एक्चुअली वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी अबाउट दिस ऐप. उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि एक्चुअली मैं पहले से ही मूवीज़ देखना मुझे पसंद है, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि तुम्हें खेलना चाहिए ऐप, तो मैंने प्ले किया. उस टाइम पे मेरे को नहीं पता था कि मैं मतलब आईफोन जीत जाऊँगी इस ऐप से. तो उस टाइम तो मैंने सोचा कि मे बी इट्स लाइक अ फेक ऐप और समथिंग, बट व्हेन आई रियली गेट द प्राइज़ तब मुझे यकीन हुआ कि सीरियसली इट वेरी गुड ऐप.
क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इस ऐप के बारे में, कितना सही है घर पे बैठ के इंडोर विथ जो?
हाँ, एक्चुअली ये ऐप अभी जैसे कोविड-19 का सिचुएशन है, सब लोग अभी घर पे ही है, बाहर हम जा नहीं सकते हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी ये ऐप अच्छा है. घर पे बैठ के भी हम इसे खेल सकते हैं. इंडोर गेम है, और जैसे भी हमें बॉलीवुड देखना पसंद ही है, इंडिया में जितना पसंद करते हैं लोग बॉलीवुड, उसी के रिगार्डिंग इसमें क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. बहुत ईजी क्वेश्चंस है, उनका आंसर करना है, और बहुत ही कम अमाउंट में. मैंने जस्ट 50 रुपीज़ में प्ले किया था, एंड आई गॉट दिस फ़ोन एंड आई एम फीलिंग सो लकी. और आई थिंक जैसे मुझे ये आज मतलब सनी लियोनी मैम से मिलने का मौका मिला, और इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम कम्स ट्रू फॉर मी कि मैं देहरादून से कहा, मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं यहाँ पे आके मिलूँगी और मैं इतना फ़ोन जीतूँगी इतना महंगा. इट्स रियली लाइक अ ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू फॉर मी. हाँ, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि सबको एक बार ये ऐप डाउनलोड करना चाहिए और खेलना चाहिए. काफ़ी अच्छा गेम ऐप है, और इट इज़ अ फर्स्ट मतलब मूवी ऐप. हाँ, मूवी ऐप है इंडिया में, और आई थिंक सबको ये गेम खेलना चाहिए.
थैंक यू सो मच संजय.
Okay, my name is Akshay. I am from Kerala. I have a very excited and I am very thrilled. I want the OnePlus 8 Pro in Soupy Infinite Fun. It's a fantasy movie game. It will be really excited. I just pay 50 rupees to want my OnePlus 8 Pro phone. I am really my friend is suggested this to play. I predict value for the amount the phone, and I got a OnePlus winning. It's a really good in this time in COVID situation. It will be better you to earnings, and I am very happy.